trends all the time?
Well, it's 2026 and things have changed a lot. आज हम रेट करने वाले हैं some of the most viral Korean trends that are literally everywhere right now. So let's start with it. सबसे पहले let's talk about Sedlock app which the Gen Zs are loving right now. Basically हर एक घंटे में you and your friends have to film like a 2 to 3 second clip. No editing needed, no filters, just take your moments. और फिर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे में ये सारे क्लिप्स ऑटोमेटिकली एक ब्लॉग में आ जाते हैं एंड ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज सो कूल. ऑल्सो अप्रैल 2026 में ये कोरिया के एप्पल ऐप स्टोर के टॉप चार्ट्स में था. लोग इसको अपने क्लोज फ्रेंड्स के साथ यूज कर रहे हैं टू फील मोर कनेक्टेड एंड एक्चुअली एंजॉय द वर्चुअल सोशल लाइफ. And good news is that it's also coming to Android as well. And my rating, definitely a 9 out of 10. I genuinely love this concept. Now I think this trend almost everyone knows by now, the baseball AI trend. So during Korean baseball matches, the broadcasting cameras crowd के बीच में randomly लोगों को screen पर दिखाते हैं and now हम ये सब ChatGPT या Kling AI में prompt use करके खुद को KBO baseball stadium में create कर सकते हैं and honestly it looks quite real. Everything literally feels like a real live broadcast and now it's viral everywhere on Instagram, on TikTok. So for its creativity, I will rate this trend 8 on 10 because sometimes AI do messes up with our faces. Okay, next is a very super cute trend. If you're into K-pop or K-dramas, then आप लोगों ने तो देखा ही होगा those Korean photo booths where you click pictures and get the aesthetic photo strips. And now you can recreate that experience at home through the My4Cut app. आपको बस अपनी pics upload या click करनी है and the app will give you lot of frames and आप design भी कर सकते हैं frame by yourself. Honestly, this isn't a very new concept, but in 2026 this app became very trendy, especially among Gen Zs. मैं rate करूँगी 7.5. It looks really cute and fun, but someday I really want to experience an actual Korean photo booth in Korea itself. Now for all my beauty lovers, Korea is always ahead when it comes to beauty trends, right? और ग्लास स्किन के बारे में तो हम सबको पता है, but now we have something called bloom skin. Basically, skin that looks naturally healthy, plump, hydrated, soft and fresh. And honestly, I totally agree with this trend because skin should actually look healthy. And since we are talking about beauty, I also want to give a special mention to PDRN. Yes, it's that famous salmon DNA skincare ingredient. ये स्किन रिपेयर करता है, कोलाजन बूस्ट करता है. पहले ये सब डर्मा क्लिनिक्स में इंजेक्शंस के थ्रू मिलता था, but now it's available in serums and creams as well. And if I'm not wrong, this trend started becoming really viral around 24-25 and honestly it's still trending. So I would rate Bloom Skin 10 on 10 and PDRN 9.5 because it's actually really promising. Okay, now this trend is genuinely adorable. कोरिया में एक ऐप है जिसे लोग these days यूज कर रहे हैं called Walking Charlie. बेसिकली आपको चार्ली नाम के एक क्यूट पिक्सल कैरेक्टर को वॉक करवाना होता है टू कीप हिम हेल्दी. एट फर्स्ट चार्ली लुक्स रियली चबी बट एज यू वॉक मोर एंड कंप्लीट स्टेप्स लाइक 10K he slowly becomes healthier and fitter. And honestly, this is such a cool and motivating idea. Also, this app has cute features like changing outfits and house spaces. And also, you can use my code to get 20 donors on the app. And my rating easily 10 on 10 because honestly, I need motivation to complete 10K steps too. And I feel this app is made for
people like me.
Guys, now I want to give a special mention to 2 Korean food trends. First, आपको याद है वो दुबई चॉकलेट ट्रेंड? Well, basically कोरिया ने उसका upgraded version बना दिया है called Ducheongho. It's a chewy dessert of marshmallow outer layer and covered with cocoa powder और अंदर है कदाइफ and pistachio cream. Very similar to Dubai chocolate but with a new texture and new experience. And apparently during winters ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा super viral हो गया था. And I haven't tried it personally obviously, but it looks so good so I will rate it 9 on 10. Now the second food trend जो मैं हर जगह देख रही हूँ ऑनलाइन अभी इसी वक्त is the hyper realism ice cream. Like the ice cream literally looks like random objects like fruits, teddy bear characters, and I recently saw those videos from Baskin Robbins stores and Korean other stores with that cute shaped ice creams, and honestly it looks so cute. I have never tried it obviously, but I want to rate this trend 9.5. So yeah, these were some current viral Korean trends of 2026. Now you tell me in the comment section कौन सा trend आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा and which one you wish to try. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay positive, be happy. Bye.